Sewing a fly front or cover placket. Learning how to stitch a fly front placket helps you to stitch this placket in a shirt. Objective: at the end of this class, you will be able to stitch a fly front placket. Let us first familiarize with the tools and materials that you would need to stitch a fly front placket. You would need cotton fabric, pattern square, tailor's chalk, shears, a pair of small scissors, contrasting thread, iron box, measuring tape, and a sewing machine. Now let's watch how to stitch a fly front placket on a sample fabric piece. Step 1. Measure, mark, and cut out the required sample fabric pieces. Measure and mark 10 inches by 10 inches square on a double layer of the fabric with the help of a pattern square, measuring tape, and a tailor's chalk. Using the shears, cut the squares out. Step 2. Mark points and fold the sample at those points. Take one piece and mark starting from the cut edge a ½ inch, 7/8 inch, again 7/8 inch, 1 inch, and another 1 inch. Fold and iron the ½ inch and the first 7/8 inch to the wrong side and the next 7/8 inch to the opposite side, meaning right side. That is the buttonhole placket. Now fold and iron the 1 inch to the wrong side again. Step 3. Stitch along the crease. Open the fold between the 7/8 inch and the 1 inch and bring the ½ inch fold flat behind it. Now stitch along the crease between the 7/8 inch and 1 inch. Snip the threads and fold it back. The outer layer is the placket cover and the inner, slightly smaller, is the buttonhole placket. Step 4. Mark points on second sample piece and fold and iron. Take the other sample piece, mark a ½ inch and then 7/8 inch. Fold and iron a ½ inch the wrong side and again the 7/8 inch also to the wrong side. Step 5. Top stitch and finish placket. Now top stitch along the inner fold from the wrong side. Snip the threads and turn it to the right side. This is the button stand placket. With that, we come to the end of this class. Let's recall what we have learned. You learned how to stitch a fly front or cover placket. Let's review its basic steps. Step 1. Measure, mark, and cut out the required sample fabric pieces. Step 2. Mark points and fold the sample at those points. Step 3. Stitch along the crease. Step 4. Mark points on second sample piece and fold and iron. Step 5. Top stitch and finish placket. You have now learned how to stitch a fly front placket on fabric. Take our next class to learn stitching a one-piece placket.